Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about Bitcoin, the price prediction for the end of the bull market, the mid-term top based on data. Of course, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we post one video every single day about how to navigate and trade the cryptocurrency market. But today I also got a surprise for you. I'm going to show you the price prediction for one of potentially your favorite coin, which is Solana. Solana is one of the best performing coin right now. It's going up like crazy, and I want to show you what I think is going to be happening and how high Solana could go into this bull market. Okay, guys, let's go straight away into Bitcoin so I can show you what's happening right now. Today, very important day. We're going to have Donald Trump is going to talk at the Bitcoin conference, and he's going to reveal his plan with Bitcoin. So there are so many rumors who are announcing that he's going to talk about implementing Bitcoin as a strategic reserve, and of course buying more than 1 million Bitcoin. So I guess we have to see what's going to be happening. But today I want to show you a little bit of interesting facts of why I believe Bitcoin could be going to $85,000 very soon, and at the end of this bull cycle could go as high as $110,000 to $115,000. Number one, guys, I'm looking at the moment in this chart over here, which in my opinion looks extremely bullish. Lots of people are saying right now that you can't really deny that this looks extremely bullish. But of course, guys, crypto is full of surprises, so anything could change. So this is not financial advice. Straight away, I want to show you this, guys. So what I was doing today to calculate our next mid-term top in case the Fed is going to cut interest rates soon or Donald Trump is going to make a massive announcement. What I was actually calculating right now was this impulse over here, guys. So we had this beautiful impulse here. We had a consolidation, and from a technical point of view, Bitcoin has been forming what we call a ABCD pattern or a bull flag. So what I was actually doing from here, I was calculating how high the top of this pole over here could have gone, and then what I do, I just translate this one and I put it over here, and it gives me a target of roughly $85,000. And on top of that, I was actually checking the Fibonacci extension. So the Fibonacci extension calculating from this bottom over here to this top over here, and it's bringing me again $85,000, which is exactly in conjunction with this point over here. So it's already quite remarkable. Then what I did was to understand what's going to be the next move for Bitcoin. And what I did, I pretty much connected this point over here to this point over here to this point. So 1 point, 2 points, and then the line just went and got translated around this point over here. And he's telling me that if things are going to go the way they're supposed to go, we could be seeing Bitcoin reaching $85,000 as a mid-term top by roughly mid-August, or maybe late August, beginning of September. So that's going to be very exciting. And then, of course, we might see a sell-off around September as per usual, maybe down to roughly $64,000, $65,000 again, maybe at the top of this flag over here. And then we could be seeing one last push until end of November. And it's going to be pushing us to our second level of Fibonacci extension, which is sitting at $105,000. But again, guys, if I connect these points over here from 2017 to the top of 2021 to here, is telling me that the Fibonacci extension going at 105.5 is coinciding around this area over here, which is on the roughly in between the 11th to the 18th of November 2024. So if I'm going to go back into the past and see what happens to the previous bottom to the top with the Fibonacci extension, we can see that Bitcoin was able to reach 3.618 at $66,000 or $69,000 from here. But if you're going to go over here and then check our higher level over here, then it's bringing us to roughly $105,000, and the 3.618 is $125,000. If it's going to be able to go as high, there is definitely a possibility. However, I would say that unlike so many people are thinking we're going to go up to 200,000, 300,000 and over, in my opinion, I believe this bull market is going to go and finish around 110-ish. So we say 105 to $115,000. Another thing I want to show you, which is quite remarkable as well, is the fact that, as you can see over here, we formed in the beginning of 2023. We had this wave 1 from here. Then we had wave two, so wave one, sorry, around this area. So here, then we have wave two around here. We have wave three, which is this one over here. Wave four, which has completed potentially right now, and now we are pretty much into wave five. What is quite remarkable is the fact that if you're gonna go from here to here, and then you're gonna bring this one like that, and then translate this movement up to here. Again, guys, it brings you exactly to the 2.618 Fibonacci and also to the extension from 2017 to the previous top of the bull market, which is quite incredible. So please let me know your thought about this theory because things look quite interesting at the moment. So wave five, in my opinion, is about to get started. We're probably in wave 2 out of 5. Wave 3 is starting. It's going to go to 85K, then a bit of retrace, and then one final push to the upside. And then, of course, once this is going to complete, if we're going to go into recession, which I believe so, and the stock market is going to sell off, I believe that's as a how to say, like as a sell-off, we're gonna see Bitcoin maybe going down to roughly $59,000 to $60,000, and then of course a new bull market is gonna start again. I don't believe we're gonna go down to 20,000, 15,000, 30,000 anymore because now with the ETF things have changed a lot. So I believe it's gonna see much more, I would say, balance between crypto prices. I also want to show you today, guys, the daily chart, what's happening with the daily, so you're gonna have a very good understanding how to trade for the next few days. So I'm expecting, guys, Donald Trump is going to do a temporary pump of Bitcoin. So we're going to see maybe a push up to here. And of course, guys, if you want to understand how to trade, when to go long and short and all of that, you can join our VIP group, guys. Look at the results from our members. We are literally killing the market. Every single day we're printing money from this is the results from our members. We put Bitcoin analysis every single day in details, altcoin analysis to really take advantage of this price fluctuation. We have crypto chat as well. We have also trading calls from myself, trading calls from my members who are experienced traders, guys. There is so much money to be made in this group. So if you want to join, link in the description below. But also if you want to learn how to trade, guys, I have a free masterclass link in the description as well. Let's go back into Bitcoin, guys, and see what's happening right now. So what I'm expecting from this chart over here will be a pump up to this area over here after Trump's speech, roughly $70,000. Then after this, I could be seeing a potential pullback down to this area over here, maybe around $65,000 to $66,000, and then finally, what we should be seeing could be a break to the upside after the FOMC meeting next week. So if the Fed is going to hint of an interest rate cut, I believe we're going to go way higher than this. We could be seeing an inverted head and shoulder, or even, I'm going to show you, which is quite interesting. I was just really talking to my members this morning about this. Looks like Bitcoin is probably forming an inverted head and shoulder from here. And then if this is going to play out, and then I'm going to go and calculate how high we're going to go from that point over there. He can actually bring us to roughly $85,000. So it's funny that everything is bringing you to 84, 85K. So I would like to see this in a short term. But right now, I could be expecting that what we're going to be seeing could be a pump up to here. Then we're going to encounter some resistance. So something maybe like this, there's something like this, and then finally a break to the upside. So I guess we had to wait and see, but things change every single day. That's why you need to join the VIP group. Very quickly, guys, I'm going to show you as well what's happening with the stock market. I'm going to go from here. The 2 years treasury yield, guys, going down like crazy. We were predicting this one like a month in advance. As you can see, it was actually for like a head and shoulder is almost completed, which means that the Fed pretty much follows the bond market. The bond market is saying to cut interest rates, so we could be seeing very good news from Jerome Powell in due course. And the next one I want to show you as well, DXY, dollar currency index, very similar to the US Treasury yield. We could see like an head and shoulder as well. Over here, we should be seeing a continuation of this movement to the downside with a target of roughly $101 to $100, which could match with Bitcoin going to 85K. And guys, now the last beautiful chart, which is going to be Solana. Solana, look at this beauty, guys. Solana is one of my favorite coins, and I believe we're going to see a very good pump into this bull market. I'm going to be very disappointed today because I'm going to give you a target which you probably think that it's not what you expect, but however, I like to be very conservative. And I'm going to show you what I think about Solana, guys. In my opinion, Solana is forming what we call a cup and handle. Cup and handle is the shape over here. You have a cup over here, and then you have a handle. So the way I was calculating Solana, first of all, is to see a mid-term target if Bitcoin is going to go to, as I said before, $85,000. And I'm expecting Solana to potentially go up if I follow this line over here. So very similar to BTC, but I'm going to get and take my little brush over here. I'm expecting a sort of a pump up to here, then A, B, C, and then D, which is the same as A and B. So from here to here, brings you a target of the 1.618 Fibonacci, which is sitting at $273. So I could be seeing Solana to pump up to this area over here. Then if Bitcoin as well is going to sell off maybe around September, we could be seeing a dump again down to 180, 190. And then if you're going to be able to complete this cup and handle pattern, then what we can do, we can measure this point over here to this point over here, so 263, and then we can bring it up to this area over here. So we're gonna go here, bring it over here, guys. Is bringing me roughly a target and pushing up to the 3.618 Fibonacci retracement, which is sitting at roughly $448. So looking at the targets, lots of people are predicting, even myself, I was predicting before, a pump up to $1,000. But I would say the mid-term, maybe until the end of 2024, I'm expecting Solana to go up to $450 before seeing a significant pullback. And when I talk about a significant pullback, I could be expecting something like this. Maybe in the future, from 440, we're going to go and see a drop again down to 180, 170. And then finally, we're going to see one more push to the upside. And guys, don't get me wrong, right? What I'm saying, I'm expecting that we're going to see a potential recession. So something like this. I want to see Solana to pump, let's say, up to 450. Then probably from 2025 until maybe September 2025, big drop down to here. And then after the recession, if inflation goes down, I could be expecting the Fed to print an unimaginable amount of money, and then we could be seeing one last drop one last pump in 2025-26, and that's going to be the end of the bull market, maybe up to $800, $1,000. But that's what I'm expecting right now from all of this. Guys, I really hope this video was pleasant. You liked it. It gave you more information on what's going on right now, with this bull market. But if you have a question, please leave a comment down below. But otherwise, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, because we post a video every single day. And if you want to navigate and trade this market properly, join the VIP group. Take care, and I'm going to see you in the next video.